Hey everyone, my name is Miguel Meneses and I'm the Engineer Support Technician here at Delta Scientific. Today we'll be working on how to safely discharge your Delta Plus HPU system with an auxiliary EFO system to keep us all safe out on the field when we're working on our products. Before we start on any of our systems and working on them, make sure that your main power supply is cut off before you start touching our system itself. After that, once you're sure the power is off, we'll be coming to your HPU system, and right here, we must make sure the disconnect is off. So we will be turning this to the off position, and when you do that, you want to make sure your door is open and out of the way, so there's no mistake of this disconnect accidentally turning this back on while you're working on the system. Once we keep our door away over here, you also want to make sure that our pressure switch is disconnected, just as a safety precaution. Once all the system has been turned off and there's no power going to our HPU, you can see that we do have pressure in both parts of the system, and we're going to start to release the pressure in both sections one at a time. You can release them at the same time, but it's recommended to do them one at a time. So we'll come down here by the motor and we're going to release the pressure here, and you want to ease into it. So you'll turn it to the left and you want to release the pressure as we go slowly, and as you can hear, you can start hearing the actual tank discharge the whole entire system. So after you do that, you want to keep easing into the system. Eventually, we're going to see our pressure gauge. It'll get around to 1,000, and then the needle will drop automatically to 0. Depending on your system, this could take a few seconds, maybe up to a minute. So be patient with the system and allow it to fully discharge itself. Once your system now has hit 0 right here on your gauge, you're safe enough to go on to the next part of the system, which is down here right next to the EFO system. As you can see, now this system is pressurized and it's not safe to work on your system as of now. In order to disengage all the pressure and discharge it, you want to lift this tab and turn it. This will help it stay up, and that should just drop the entire system down. And once it hits 0, you should be able to safely work on your product. Right here, for example, the Delta Plus with an auxiliary EFO system.
Drop a comment below with the question for our master tech or engineer, and maybe we'll feature it in an upcoming video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.